Hey guys, welcome back to Rod Smoking Stuff Outside. Today we're on the Blackstone. We're going to be cooking some breakfast quesadillas, so stick around, I'll show you how we do. Alright, so the first thing we got to do, get our meat cooked. We got some bacon we cut up. We got some sausage here. Get those two things going. Then I'll show you what we do next. Alright, our sausage is done, so we're going to put it in our bowl here. We'll wait for our bacon to get done. Alright guys, our bacon's done. Just put it in the same one. We'll mix it all together before we put it on our old quesadillas. Make yourself a dang quesadilla.
Well, what's there to eat?
Knock it off, Polly, and make yourself a dang quesadilla.
Fine.
I'll put a little tip of it. Alright, now we got to scramble our eggs. Before we do that, I think we should wipe that grill off real quick. Put a little bit of oil on there. Spread that around. Put our eggs on. You ready? Don't let them go through that back hole. The back door.
No.
Okay guys, our eggs are done. We're going to put those in the bowl. Going to grab our flour tortillas. We're going to slap a couple tortillas on there. We got to turn down to low heat because that's where you want it. I'm going to put one here. We're going to put one here.
Please, professional.
Now we need some cheese on there. If we can get our cheese open. We should have had this already open. We're going to cheese, basically. And then we're going to put some eggs. And some sausage and bacon. Okay, then I'm going to put more cheese to hold everything together.
This guy loves his cheese.
The cheese is the glue. Then 2 more tortillas. And slap those on top. Then we're going to shut the lid and let it get nice and melty for a minute, and then we'll flip them over. Alright guys, these have been in here a minute. We're going to attempt to flip this without everything coming out of it, so good luck to us. Oh, look at that.
Easy. What were we worried about?
Yeah, easy peasy. Just like that. Okay, we're going to let the other side get all nice and crunchy, then we'll cook a couple more of them. Alright guys, we got these things done.
They're all gooey.
Cheesy goodness. All right, we're gonna try these out. All right, guys, we got this thing done. Check it out, breakfast quesadilla. We're gonna slice it up and try it out. All right, here we go. Let's see how it is. It's good. Put a little salt on there, it'll be perfect. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.